Annyeong 친구, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have another BT21 product to unbox. Let's just start. First we have the slim bag. I think this is the slim bag, is it? I don't know. It's cute, it's small. It's my palm size. Then there's a zipper on the front. It's very cute. We have the tag right here. And then, so, oops, I have this right over here. It's not that short actually. And the back. This is so adorable. I have the iPhone casing. I'm actually using it right now. It's really cute. The good thing about the casing is like, there is this edge. You can see this edge right here. So when you place your phone down like that on the table, it doesn't scratch this area. And it's like lifted up. So when you put your phone like that on the table, it wouldn't scratch your screen. This is good, I like it. And then this is the box. Next, I have the cap. I wanted to get the bucket hat, but I'm still thinking about it. Then we have the tag. And then you have Myeongdong and then BT21. And this is for you to adjust the diameter for your head. Just pull this if you need it to be like smaller. Close it, and then on the other side you have the signature of whatever you get. If it's Shuki, it'll be Shuki, but I got Mung, so this is Mung. And then this is the paper, just remove it. And we have the tag here. So cute! Next, I got BT21 Mung's clothing. I can fit in M, but I want L because I want it to be loose. I don't want it to be like kind of just nice. And I wanted to get the other one, and I'm just like, let me just get one first because I actually bought a lot of BT21 clothing, and my luggage is like, oh. So this is the tag. And then this is so cute. Look at this. This is like the inside color. It's like a navy blue. And then we have a pocket like this. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys. Give me a second. So this is how it looks like. This is L size. They have a XL, which is the next, which is the largest. And maybe I should have gotten XL instead because it's still loose, but I like it like baggy. This is okay. But it's so cute. They have the other one that's a zipper right here, this long, and it says Universe Star. Oh, that was cute. I like this. And then this is the bag. Oh, is it good? I think it's good. Since I'm already wearing the hoodie, I'm not gonna remove it. We're just gonna do the next one, which is the neck pillow. Oh my gosh, this is like so adorable. Just take this out. Ugh, my hands are short. So we have the tag right here. My friend actually bought Tata, and Tata looks adorable. I don't know what to say about this. This is so cute. I am gonna use this on airplane, and then there's this like handle we can hold it. Let me try it on. This is really soft. I like it a lot. My hair is a mess. What am I doing? Oh, where's the extra? I am a little mount hood. It's really good. I like it. Next we have the hair tie. I've been eyeing this for so long. This is so cute, but I didn't open this. They have the shiny glittering one, but I didn't like that because Mang looks very sick, like with that design, so I didn't want that. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I could tie my hair with this. Yep. Then it's like that. Next, next I have the Mang hairpin. It's like the entire body. Then you can see the character's name. Yep. It's made in China. Let me just unpin this. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, got it out from the wrong side. It's not coming out. Oh wait, of course it's not. This stuff is scotch strip here. It's sticky. No. Just get the apprehensive off this. Is it not sticky anymore? Just a little bit more. Okay, just put this aside. But look at this. This is cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. I can't take it. I'm dying. Then the pins like that. Yeah. Lastly, I have the socks. Honestly speaking, I didn't want to get the socks because the character on the socks looks a little bit kind of weird. And there was another pair, another set that came in a pair, but it was another design and another color, but the color wasn't, like the combination of the color wasn't that good. So I got this instead. So I'm like head to toe in purple. Then we have the information. Let me just open this. Oh, this is so cute. This is one side. And this is the other side. The character looks a little bit weird though. And then, yeah, so this is the inside of the socks. Two different.